Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil, and today we are going to be, well, feeding and dusting calves. The main part of the video will be dusting calves. And today we're starting part 2 of the crimping video, and today we are going combining again. And today is that time of the year again for us. We're just starting to get ready to put cattle into the shed, first cattle into the shed. And today we are here with Father Phil and Uncle Phil. Uncle Phil. And we're going to talk about our history in the dairying. And today we are going mowing, as you can see. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. We're here with Father Phil, and we are going to bait down the country to Wexford. And in today's video we are down with Pottinger, Ireland, in County Wexford, and today we are heading to lovely Leitrim to do a bit of bailing.
Hello everybody, my name is Father Phil. Bit of a change to the normal service, but today we're looking at a video that was done a few years ago of my 2 vintage combines which I had at the time.
And today we have Johnston's Farm Equipment has sent over a demo Massey Baler. Bye.